Hi, it's Emily again from the Diabetes Shop, and today we have a new edition that we're here to share with you guys. So what we have today is the Porti Prepper and the Kit'n Karry. So the Porti Prepper you can buy separately, but the Kit'n Karry includes the Porti Prepper, if that makes sense, but you'll see it when we open it up. Alright, so let's open it up. So here we have the Kit'n Karry, and we can put the box on the ground, we don't need that. And yeah, you can tell straight away it does feel really good quality. It's pretty sturdy. You don't have to worry about it getting squished in your bag or anything like that. It comes with this strap with a little shoulder band if you want to carry it on your shoulder, which this is detachable as well, or just a little hand if you want to carry it like that. So yeah, up to you, whatever your preference is. But yeah, it is really nice. Anyway, so first things first, let's have a look at the Porti Prepper. So that is in the main compartment of the lunchbox, and once you open it up, yeah, you can see here it is. And it's a really nice, sturdy glass container. I do love glass for my lunch rather than plastic because I feel like they never wash all the way properly. So yeah, that's straight away something that I notice. And yeah, once you open it up, to move the lid. Yeah, there are some instructions. It just tells you sort of what the portions are, different for men and women. It also gives you some meal ideas and that sort of thing. So if you are low on ideas, yeah, this can definitely be really quite helpful. But yeah, so once we look at the Porti Prepper, you can see there are 3 compartments in there. So this is for the free vegetables, and they give you some ideas on what that could be, like beans, lettuce, celery, tomato, that sort of stuff. And then here we have the carbs or fats. And there are different lines. If you're having fats, it'll only be to about half of that. And then carbs, yeah, to most of the way. And this is unisex as well. There is a difference for men and women, which you can see on the different sides of it there. Alright, so we've had a look at the Porti Prepper, and remember you can get this on its own on the Diabetes Shop, or you can get it with the rest of the Kit'n Karry, which is what we'll have a look at now. So I'll put that one to the side. And yeah, first things first, we have a napkin if you're so inclined. That's there, always can be handy. And of course we have a cold pack. This is really good for food safety and also keeping your salad cold if that's a preference of yours. I personally eat a lot of cheese, so it's really important to me to have a cold lunchbox. There's really nothing worse than warm cheese. And the other really cool thing about this is it's all insulated, so the cold from the cool pack will spread all throughout the lunchbox and it'll keep everything in there safe. And yeah, cool throughout the day, which is really, really great. And there's also a pocket here for the cutlery. So once you pull it out, it comes in its own little pouch. And we can pull it out and I'll show you. Yeah, so here is the cutlery it comes with, and you're probably surprised. It's probably smaller than you're expecting, but there's a good reason for that. These were designed by dietitians. They're really good for portion control. They make you eat slower, which I know I'm a really fast eater, so this would be really helpful for me. So that's really great. Another way that this can be helpful for portion control. And it's also great that it comes in a little pouch. I never really want to throw in my dirty cutlery or my knives straight into the lunchbox, so yeah, it's really good that it comes in its own pouch, and again its own little pocket so you won't lose it. Alright, and then there's one more section of the Kit'n Karry to go through, and it's just at the top here. Alright, when you open it up, you can pull this out. And these are little containers for snacks and things. And these are really great because you can have them separately. You can keep it as a long tube like this. But yeah, if one day you have something bigger and one day smaller, you can do it like that. And as like everything else in here, we also have some instructions and some cool ideas for what you could potentially put in here. So yeah, once you open this out, it shows that the smaller one at the top, you can put things like nuts, fruit mix, that sort of thing. And also if you are type 1, this also seems a very perfect size for jelly beans. So yeah, that's really handy. Then also has some ideas for the other ones, like the bigger one, they say a boiled egg, broccoli chips, capsicum, that sort of thing. Yeah, so that's really, really helpful. Again, really helping with portion control and yeah, not getting the right amount of each thing that you need to eat. Yeah, so that's really great. And of course, the other thing we have is a container for dressing. They really don't miss a detail with this one. It even has instructions on how much to put for dressing versus sauce. So yeah, you can even portion control your dressing and your sauce, which is great. So yeah, that was really handy. And yeah, so that is about everything we've got here today. And the other thing that is really good about this is that it is all dishwasher safe. So again, with the convenience, you don't have to worry about washing it. All you have to do is chuck it in the dishwasher and it'll get cleaned for you. The other thing with the Porti Prepper as well is can go in the freezer, can go in the oven, it's glass, go in the microwave. So yeah, if you do want to meal prep beforehand, yeah, you can easily transport it between things. Yeah, so that is everything from the Kit'n Karry. And if you think that this would be right for you, or if you think you just want to get the Porti Prepper on its own, both of these are available now on the Diabetes Shop.